Welcome to Learn with Marlyn. These are Konkani Class 1 study videos explained in English. पहिलो part. First chapter. Turn, turn. Turn, turn, turn. Ghan, ghan, ghan. Chal, chal. Now the words turn and ghan are onomatopoeic words. That is, words that imitate the sound it describes. In English, we would use ding dong or jingle to describe the sound of the bells. Similarly, here, turn and ghan are describing the sound of the bell. Chal means go. So perhaps the teacher is telling the students to go to the classroom, or the students themselves are saying it to one another. Chal, chal. Notice the same word is repeated. In Konkani, like in many other Indian languages, you will notice such repetitions of words which may not be common to the English language. It is used to show urgency or importance or keen interest. Like in Konkani, we say yo yo, come come. In Hindi, jao jao, go go. In Marathi, basa basa, sit sit. In Tamil, vanga vanga, come come. Now let's go through the letters. T, N, G, L, C. Now I want to make a special mention. In Konkani, this letter, which would be ch in Hindi, has two sounds, the soft ch sound and the hard ch sound. Here are some examples of words which have the soft ch sound. Chali, girl, vats, go, nach, dance, amcho, our or ours. And here are some words where it makes the hard ch sound. Amche, our or ours, chendu, ball, audiche, favorite. If you are not a Konkani speaker, then you may be confused when to use the soft ch and when to use the hard ch. But do not worry. As you continue to learn and build your vocabulary, you will be able to tell the difference. And now is the trivia time. Try to answer without referring to the chapter. Here we go. Let's see how much you can remember. How would you translate ding dong into Konkani? Turn turn or ghan ghan. How do you say go in Konkani? Chal or vats. What are the two sounds made by this letter? Ch and ch. Read the following letters aloud. T, N, G, L, C or ch. So that ends this video. Do let me know if it was helpful or if there's anything else that you needed in the explanation. Thank you.